Nicole Marana from STEM 5. Today, we're going to talk about why do we need pursue wisdom? Because I do not want to be ignorant. Knowledge gives everyday life a meaning, a word to live for. Aside that, I also don't want to be fooled or teased by others that I'm stupid, but that's only the less important reason.
How can you know if a person has a deeper wisdom?
I'll know if a person has a deeper wisdom if he or she succeeds. Excess of life, whatever the problem, they always find a solution out of it.
What is your personal experiences?
On one occasion, my mother forgot to send me money that desperately needed. Instead of soaking in the corner, I thought of a plan that can get me enough money for that situation by asking my friends. In the end, I got what I wanted turns out. Simply thinking of a plan gives solution. Bye guys! Thank you for watching my vlog. Hope you enjoy it. Bye!